Hey, Mr. Ramirez. This is Danny Wiggins with the Cell Connect Marketing. I live here in Winston, and I just wanted to shoot you a short customized video analysis of your website. I'm going to show you three things to do that brings customers to your business. I'll be going over content, backlinks, and citations. And by the end of the video, if you like what you hear, then just send me a message back and we can chat. And if not, feel free to just take it as free information. So first of all, I do want to mention that I like your logo here. I like that you guys have your last name um, in the company name. And I also like your layout. I like how things are moving. It's keeping my attention. It just kind of pops. All right, let's dive in. So the first thing I want to go over with you is content, right? That's the words on the homepage. And typically Google wants to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. And as you can see, these guys here are your competitors. They're when you type lawn care Greensboro into Google, there's a lot of directories on there, but these guys are the first ones that pops up before you guys. So these guys are your competitors, and they don't have a lot of content on here neither, but they do have a little bit more than you guys. But yeah, and so not only do you want a lot of content on here. You want between 1,500 to 2,000 words. You also want keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So if you go ahead and type into Google, I typed it in here already. I'm just going to refresh it. Um, we typed that keyword into Google, and you guys don't pop up first. You guys don't pop up first on the home page. And as you can see, there's 170 people that are looking for this service. Just type this in each month into Google. So that's 170 people that you guys are missing out on by not being ranked here at the top. So you guys can start throwing in keywords like lawn care Greensboro or lawn care services in Greensboro, or anything in that nature relating to your industry, right? And I do want to quickly mention that you guys are a lawn care service company, but actually are ranking as a landscaping company, which may not bring you value because those looking for landscaping won't stay on your page when they see you're not providing landscaping. So I would just make sure you're being ranked for the correct service, and I can show you how. So overall content, you want to make sure you have 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you want to throw those keywords into your page as well. So the second point is backlinks. Backlinks is anywhere you find someone's website linking back to another website. So it's basically like a popularity contest in Google's eyes, but not all backlinks are equal. For example, say you have the restaurant IHOP linking back to your page. That's not going to be relevant. You want to keep it relevant to your industry, which is lawn care. All right, let's go to a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Um, I pay $400 a month for it, but I use it to get a lot of information for websites. And you guys can use this same site as well. So we're looking at your business and we see that you guys have 17 backlinks and 10 referring domains, which basically means sites that are linking back to your business page. And we can even see exactly which sites are linking back. Talk of the Town Coupons, Ali Magian Mistro, Blogspot. I'm not sure which one that is. Couldn't understand that one. Hablo un poco de español. Just a little bit. Best pictures. Okay. And then we can also look at your competitors. Remember these guys, TNC Lawn Care? So they have, let's go back. You guys have 17 backlinks and 10 referring domains. and they have 128 backlinks and 32 referring domains. So you guys get the point. Again, it's basically a popularity contest for Google. The site with the most backlinks and the most relevant backlinks wins, right? So finally, the third point I wanted to share with you is citations. So let's go to Google here, refresh. These guys are number one. This is the map pack. This is where most people go when they type in a service. They go here, and they usually click and find the business they want using this. They use organics as well, but a lot of people come here, and these guys are number one. So a citation is basically anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are exactly as it is here on the Google business page. And having a lot of citations posted is what gets you on the map pack right here. This is what gets you the revenue. It's what gets you ranked here in the map pack, which is extremely important because it's where most people go to discover your business. And I believe you guys are, I want to say 16. 10, oh, 14. Okay. So you guys are 14 here on the map pack. But again, you guys are missing out on a lot by not being the first few businesses up here at the top. And so yeah, I would definitely start working on citations to get you higher on the list. You can post your citations on directories like Yelp, Angie's List, expertisebbb.com. You can even have your citation on social media. That's where I have mine at as well. So yeah, the idea is that your brand gets to be found by Google and is constantly searching the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So the more you'll rank. So that's what I do. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. We went over content. That's the 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you also want keywords in there as well. You want backlinks. That's the Google popularity contest I was telling you guys about. And you want to have more pages linking back to yours so that you could win. And then you want those citations. That's your business name, address, and phone number listed so that you can go ahead and get your business ranking in the map pack and start bringing in more leads and more revenue. So yeah, this is generally what I do. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, you guys can reach back out to me and we can discuss more on how I could possibly help your business. Again, my name is Denisha Wiggins. I'm the owner of Cell Connect Marketing, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. All right, see you guys later.